Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can enter the settings. Here in this general list of the settings, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And now let's tap on software update. Let's tap on system if you've accidentally entered the apps. And here we've got the first scenario which we can meet, and the information that the device is up to date and there's nothing to download. If you're not sure, you can always tap on the 3-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on refresh. Your device will try to find any kind of updates. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. Of course, it will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install, and your device will apply it to the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.